to Topfast live channel. Today we have a section of question and answer. This section will be exploring some of the basic questions that other customer has in regarding our company. And my name is Anson.
Hello guys, my name is Amelia.
So today we will be talking some of the questions that other people might have in regarding our company. So today let's start with the first section of market.
Okay, how is the reputation of your products in the market? What is the market share?
Well, we have a good reputation in many different markets. Our company covers many different countries around the globe. We have a strong market share and presence in different countries such as Russia, Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and the Americas. Our market focuses many different locations around the globe. One of our main markets is right now in Russia and also in the American market. So our customers are very satisfied, and in those countries we have a very strong presence. They trust us, they like us, and they will use our service for their product.
Oh, what about regarding compatibility? Is the product compatible with my existing equipment?
Well, our customer mainly bring their own file for us to do the manufacture. So the design are based on their compatibility of their current system. So if they need it for us to be able to help them to customize this product for them to be able to make them compatible with their current system, we'll be glad to help that. We have a team of engineers to be able to do this kind of job for them. So the question, if you're concerned about existing system, if there's going to be compatibility issues with them, you can be rest-minded that that won't be an issue for it.
What about regarding upgrades? Will the products be upgraded in the future?
Well, we always leave room for upgrading. The customer can also customize their own upgrade and just bring the new file to us. We'll be happy to manufacture whatever they need for them. And also, as I said before, if they need help in regarding how to do the update, how to upgrade the system in the future, and how frequent they want to do this upgrade, we're always here to help the customer to do this kind of job. We have a very large team of very capable people to be able to do this kind of work.
Oh, regarding transportation and logistics, what is the transportation and method of the product?
Well, we're located in a very good location here in China, in the southern part of China, in the city of Guangzhou. Guangzhou has one of the largest seaport in the country, and also we are very close to the airport system that are connected different cities. So, in terms of logistics, there are many choices, either by sea or by air or by express, even by train or ground transportation to any other country around the globe. So we have a very good and strong logistic team to be able to provide this kind of service of your choice.
How to ensure the safety of the product during transportation?
Well, we'll take very good care of our customers' product because PCBA and PCB boards are very dedicated product. So we do package them according to the standards and also to protect the product from being broken in terms of transportation. So there are different methods. As our standard method is use styrofoam to be able to pack this product into boxes to secure transport them into the customer's location, or the customer has some very specific requests, we can even customize different type of shell casings for them to be able to cover all those products, to be able to safely put them into the package to transfer to the customer's hands.
Okay, final question. Regarding payment methods, what payment methods are you supported?
Well, now these days everybody has multiple different type of payments. We use mainly an Alibaba platform. You can decide to use any other methods common in the market, such as bank transfer, or you can do it via PayPal, different platform as well. And even if you have requests in regarding a cryptocurrency, we do have account for that as well. So our main goal is to service customer in the best way that we could. So we offer multiple different type of services to the customer.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, great. So as our main goal for the customer is to make good product, to make good service, to satisfy our customers' need. Today's question and answer section will be here. And if you have any other questions in the future, please let us know.